Hello guys, hope you all are doing great. Being a student of technical field, I would prepare myself to guide you to set your tech goal in the latest technology of today. I would advise and discuss about new amazing gadgets that you must check out in this digital world. So welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Goal. Let's hit it. Hey guys, this is the part 2 of this video series. Today I am going to discuss about 5 types of laptop stand or table that would be definitely useful for you, especially if you have a laptop. Don't miss out, watch the full video. Here we are, number 1 from Fortoni. My Buddy K portable laptop stand improves your posture. Scientifically designed to help you balance your sitting posture, keeping your back straight, neck relaxed and wrist natural even after long work hours. Solid and lightweight. It is made up of aluminum alloy and silicon rubber pad, making it tough yet lightweight and elegant. Get 6 angles to view the screen as per your convenience. Easy to carry, fully foldable, lightweight at 260 gram only, and extremely handy to carry in your office bag. Increases laptop life. Keeps your laptop cooler so the battery life and internal components life also improves. Stability. It is highly suitable for carrying up to 4 kgs heavy laptop. Warranty. Yes, it has 12 months warranty. Number 2. Strip adjustable laptop stand and phone stand. Foldable, portable, lightweight. The Carnation laptop stand has a thin, hard plastic frame. It can be easily folded and carried around. Durable enough to withstand the weight of up to 55 IBS, 25 kg. Optimized for air ventilation. To prevent your computer from overheating, the laptop stand has large cutout vents and adjustable height options that allow air to circulate from all sides. All vented. Adjustable height 7 options. Raise your laptop or tablet to any of 7 adjustable heights from 2.7 inch to 6.7 inch, so you can get a clearer glare free view while getting neck pain relief and preventing eye strain. Number 3. Strip Invisible Lightweight Laptop Stand for Mac Grey LSG. Ultra Portable. The Strip laptop stand weighs a mere 3 oz and is only 1 by 10 inch thick. Its compactness born of innovation. Since Strip is literally light as paper and slim as a coin, it's a laptop stand perfect for mobile working. Unique material. Constructed with special PU and fiberglass material, the Strip laptop stand is strong and stable enough to hold up to 19 IBS. Despite its ultra slim size, the built-in magnets allow you to unfold the laptop stand quickly and securely attach it to a flat surface. Ergonomic design. Conceived and constructed with the express purpose of giving laptop users greater comfort, the Strip laptop stand is equipped with 2 elevation adjustments that make it easy to find your ideal height and posture. The high setting 3 inches they are perfect for a sitting posture, and the low setting 3 inches is great for a standing posture. This flexibility helps prevent neck and shoulder pain while looking at the screen. Convenient secure workplace. Special removable adhesive means this laptop stand conveniently attaches and detaches from your laptop without leaving a single mark or scratch. Reattaching again and again with the same strength, effectiveness and sensitivity. The stand is compatible with a wide range of laptop up to 15.7 inch including MacBook Air and Pro. Reusable our stand's removable glow lets it confidently attach and detach from your laptop without leaving a single mark or scratch. Reattaching with the same strong effectiveness, it only need to wash and dry it. It will restore its viscosity and can be reused indefinitely. Plus, the company don't recommend this stand for laptop which have vents on the bottom where this would block airflow. Number 4. Multipurpose Bamboo Laptop Table from Pefi. One table with multiple uses. This multipurpose laptop table from the house of Pefi can be used in a variety of ways. It can act as a study table for kids or a bedside table for your coffee or any beverage. It can also be used for book or magazine reading, writing notes, dining table for kids and many more. Environment friendly. Made from bamboo wood, the product is environment friendly and is a reliable way of managing the external heat of your laptop. It provides a natural way of laptop cooling without electricity, unlike other laptop tables, where electricity is used for external fans and other such cooling devices. Compact and ergonomic laptop table. Peppy has designed this table to suit your needs and provide extra care and comfort while you are using your laptop. The table is made from a brown colored wood with a wooden finish. With a dimension of 5 into 4 into 3 semis, the table is compact and portable. The table has 6 openings or vents on each side to let out excessive heat from your laptop. Number 5. Gas spring monitor and laptop desk mount. Single gas spring arm stand. Holder up to 27-inch computer. Full monitor height adjustment and clamp mounting. Silver black RCLM SB. Universal. This gas spring monitor and laptop mount is applicable to 17 to 27 inches monitor up to 19.8 IBS with VESA standard interfaces such as Dell, Samsung, HP, BenQ, AOC, Acer, LG, Asus, and 10 to 17 inches laptop or notebook. Steady arms, made of heavy duty and premium aluminum to guarantee the sturdy and stable, no dropping problem. Adjustable, the screen can freely swivel 360 degrees and easily adjust the monitor and laptop to the most comfortable position. Monitor mounting arms offer 145-degree tilt, reaches the height of 43 semi by 16.9 inch. Laptop mounting arm offers 45-degree tilt, the maximum height up to 42 semi by 16.5 inch. Fashionable and ergonomic. Advanced design in appearance and function, and the nature aluminum light silver with black make it looks very fashionable and clean. The arm has a cable management feature to organize wires and cables fit neatly behind. Healthy workplace. Allow adjust the monitor and laptop to the most comfortable position, helping reduce strain on your neck and shoulder. Organize your workplace and improve your work efficiency. Links are in the description. Go there and do check out if you need it. Hey guys, if you liked it, give a thumbs up, share and subscribe, and also hit the bell to get my videos instantly whenever I upload one. Let me know in the comment on what gadget you want a video next. I will definitely make it. Till then, goodbye. Stay safe.